And today is a super exciting day because this literally just showed up on my porch. I got the spring Nick box. It's the time capsule version. It says the Nick box time capsule do not open until 2019. Well, it's 2019, so we don't have to worry about that, luckily. It looks like it probably has a shirt in it because it has the size sticker. And it looks like it might have like a little sneak peek into what's actually in it. It shows Legends of the Hidden Temple, Clarissa Explains It All, Double Dare, and Nickelodeon Guts. So this should be a fun box to open. Real quick, if you've never seen any of my other unboxing videos for the Nick box, you can check out the description box below. I will link them all down there. For those of you who have never seen them again, this is a quarterly box, so it's not monthly, it's quarterly. You get spring, summer, fall, winter. And then you can choose whether to only do 1 month, you can do a year. It's a little bit cheaper for a year. I think they're like 50 bucks every quarter. It's up to you what you want to do. I've been doing the yearly one. I don't know how much longer I'm going to do this. Only reason being, they give you like a vinyl figurine in almost every single one of them. And I have way too many now. And I don't know where to put them. So we might be getting close to my year. I'm gonna have to check out my thing, but I won't sit here and ramble on forever. I do this at the beginning of every video, so you can check out the other ones, like I said, in the description box below, and we'll get to opening this. First off, as comes in every single box, it gives you a little card with what's all in it. I'm not gonna look at it. We're just kind of gonna run through it and not even, I guess, peek. So let's get started. So the very first thing in this quarterly Nick box for this one is the Clarissa Explains It All fanny pack. Fanny packs are fun, I guess. I have one, but I don't use it very often. Hold your things. I will show you guys a close-up of the pattern and what all it looks like. So there is the Clarissa Explains It All fanny pack right on the front. The pattern on the back is very like 80s, 90s. It has a zipper pouch up here. It has one in the front. It looks like you can fit a lot of stuff. And then it has the strap on the back that you can adjust to wear. So there is the first thing in this Nick box is your Clarissa Explains It All fanny pack. Like I said, I thought there was a shirt in here, and there is. It is the Stickley long sleeve t-shirt of him sitting at a anchor desk. So I'll show you a close-up of this. Mine's a small, you can pick whatever size you want. But yeah, this, I'll show you what it looks like. So there's your Stickley long sleeve shirt. There's nothing else on it except for this thing in the front. So there's the second thing in your Nick box is this Stickley long sleeved shirt. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember these, but it comes with a slap bracelet too, and it's all different cartoons, not a specific one. I'll give you a close up all the way across of it, but your slap bracelet, that one kind of hurt, but I'll show it to you anyway. So there is your Nickelodeon slap bracelet. You have Hey Arnold, Ren and Stimpy, Our Real Monsters, Angry Beavers, Cat Dog, and Rugrats. Can't get it to focus very well, I'm trying here. So the third thing in your Nick box is this slap bracelet. It is rubber, but it still has metal in it. So it's not exactly the most comfortable thing to hit on your arm, but what do you know? So the fourth thing in your Nick box is this Guts, I think it said, yeah, Guts Aggro Crag keychain. I've seen this, but I can't think of what this is off the top of my head. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. We'll get it open. So there is your Guts Aggro Crag keychain. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what this is or what it means, but it's in there. That's what it looks like. So that is the fourth thing in your Nick box is this Guts keychain. This one's really fun. So the fifth thing in your Nick box is a Double Dare pin. It is the Picket pin, if you remember, that had slime in the nose. So I'll show you what it looks like, give you a little close-up of it. So there's your Double Dare Picket pin. So there is the fifth thing in your Nick box is this Double Dare Picket pin. All right, so nearing the end, we have a couple more after this. This is a Legends of the Hidden Temple Team Animal coasters. So we'll open them up, see what they look like. Comes with 6 coasters, which is a lot of coasters. I usually only have 4, so this is great. But they're the different team symbol on them. So I'll run through them so you guys can see what they all look like. So we have 1, 2, 3. Some of these are probably upside down, 4 or sideways. 5 and 6. So 6 coasters here, guys. They're cork on the back. Pretty neat on the front too. So the 6th thing in your Nick box are these Legends of the Hidden Temple coasters. And to go with your Legends of the Hidden Temple coasters, you also get Legends of the Hidden Temple pine pint glass. And on the side, I just noticed it says the eyes change color. Not sure how it works, if it's a hot cold kind of thing, but we'll open it up, see what it looks like. So there's your Legends of the Hidden Temple coaster. It's just the little logo from the actual show. But it says the eyes change color, so I will have to try it out later and see what it does when you put something to drink in it. So like I said, to go through Legends of the Hidden Temple coasters, we also have your Legends of the Hidden Temple eye color changing pint glass. And last up, like I said, there's always some sort of vinyl figure that's in here. This month, this quarter or whatever, we have the Real Monsters vinyl figure. They're actually in a toilet. I will show you guys what this looks like up close. So there is your Real Monsters vinyl figure. Like I said, you have all three of them and they're in a toilet. It's pretty big. All right guys, so the last thing in your Nick box is this Real Monsters vinyl figure. So that is all that comes in this quarter's Nick box. The spring time capsule Nick box is all of what I just showed you. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, if you want to see any of the other boxes, feel free to look in the description box below and I will have those linked below so you can see what other boxes had. I think this is maybe like my 6th or 7th one. So I've done quite a few of them. This is the time capsule box. Just keep in mind, you just go, I will link where you can get yours below too. Just go below, click on it, order yours if you want it, and you should be getting the same one. I don't think the next one comes out until like July usually. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. I appreciate you guys every day that you watch these. So thank you, and I will see you guys with the next video.